Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. I was talking about Isagenix, and I wanted to talk just real briefly, I think 5 minutes or so on this, that, thinking about network marketing and multi-level marketing. I've been opposed to it for many years because over the years, early years of my marriage, we were into so many of them and they all failed. We didn't get anything out of any of them other than spending money and wasting time. There's some with good products, yes, but I didn't see it being beneficial. One time my wife joined one without even telling me. I said, quit that right now. We can't afford $39 a month every month. So one church was making like $80,000 a year for their school, doing it. But anyway, I can't remember all the ones. I can't even begin to remember all the ones. I know I was in Alpine Air, EcoQuest International, did very well with that. Sold a lot of units and had a lot of fun. Anyway, over the years, we were into so many of them that I was just like, get away from me. If you showed up with network marketing, I ran the other direction. I didn't want to even begin to hear it. I would not go to a meeting. One time in our marriage, early in our marriage, we were tricked into going to an Amway meeting, and I could smell Amway a mile away. And I was very, had my spidey senses would go, oh, yeah, you're an Amway, right? No, I'm not going to do it. No, get out of here. Anyway, we went to a meeting one time. A friend of mine invited me to a meeting. I can't remember his excuse, but his reason, but found out it was Amway, man. I think we walked out. I don't remember, but we did not join for sure. Anyway, I wanted to just talk a little bit about that and the fact that I was very opposed to them for many years because they didn't work. I didn't see any of them working ever. So, in this case, what I'm doing here is I'm eating products that I'm buying for myself, and I'm taking them into my body and getting healthier. So I can't see that as how it can fail. I've seen repeatedly from other people that the products are very good. They're very quality, and a lot of miraculous stories with them. So I'm going to keep doing that, and if it works out, that makes some money. Great. If not, I don't really care. I want to share it with people because they're good products. It's a very nutrition-oriented company. Some companies have a line of nutrition and a line of this and a line of that, beauty care and skin care and whatnot. And I'm sure they have some of those products, but it's primarily a nutrition-oriented company. I think about 90% of the products have to do with helping the body be healthier. Maybe all of them. I don't know. I don't think they have any cleaning products that I know of. I don't even know. So I don't care, and I don't care. I'm just saying it's a good bunch of products that are health-oriented and make me feel better. So, now on the other subject, the other part of the network marketing thing is that Warren Buffett, I don't think I should have to explain who Warren Buffett is. He's a very wealthy man in America, one of the richest men in America, up there with Mark Zuckerberg and Mr. Tesla, whatever his name is, and, Jeff Bezos with Amazon and Richard Virgin Air. Anyway, so Warren Buffett said, unless you can figure out how to make money while you're sleeping, you're going to be broke. You're going to be working the rest till the day you die. You have to work till the day you die. You're going to have a job, but just over broke until the day you die. And that's not fun for anybody. So, that's the other aspect of the whole thing is, one thing that is true, and I've always understood about network marketing is, it's a way to get residual income, repeat income from work that you did 20 years ago. You can build up and you can increase that money and increase that level. And it's a very simple, just to go into a little bit about the company. You have two legs, one on your right hand, one on your left, A, B, whatever you want to call them. And you just build. If you have two people, then that person two. A lot of them work that way. But with a lot of the companies, you could do whatever you wanted with people. You could put them all into this thing and all into this, and it got it to be a real mess, and people would mess it up. So this is a very simple way to do it. You get paid, on that. I'm not going to even go into that because I don't understand it anyway, and I don't really care to understand it. I will say this, okay, after as much time as I've been in it, there is what they call the Ice Body Challenge, okay? So I took pictures of myself from my front, the back, sides, sent them in, sent my measurements, arm measurements, leg measurements, thigh, waist, chest, blah, blah, blah. And 3 months later, I got a coupon, a bonus for $200, and I had signed a couple people up, so I got $250 in coupons. That's pretty good. I was able to spend that for some really good products, the NAD and the NAD that I talked about in the last video, and the booster, the nitro booster. So I wanted to get those because that's what the main thing the guy had talked about. Amped products, amped, AMPED, amped. They're amped up, okay, with nitric oxide. And nitric oxide gives you more oxygen to your heart, to your blood, to your brain, both heads. But anyway, it's very, very good stuff, very powerful stuff. I knew this guy had done that, and he was in better shape now than he was, a long, long time ago. He was still alive, amazingly. So he went from being almost dead to, carrying 100-pound logs up to a barn. Anyway, okay, I'm going to cut this one off. It's 5 minutes. I just wanted to talk to that about, the idea of network marketing is not necessarily completely all bad. I'm going to just, take it with a grain of salt for right now and just go ahead and keep working with the company and using the products and improving my health. And that's my main goal right now. And, come along with the journey if you want. Now, so my main thing is if you're interested, especially if you have some health problem, let me know, and I can put you in touch with Rita. She's the girl that I met from when I went to grade school with her. Okay, she's an old time friend. Came out, we met this summer, and had a good time. And she's very more knowledgeable about the company than I am and the products. And of course, there's people up of her to have more knowledge and stuff. So, just if you have any specific physical issues, let me know, and I can pass that along, and we can get you information. You can write to me on my, through the channel comment or my email address, dmnds2001@yahoo.com, and I'll put that link down in the description. Diamonds, DMNDS, plural, 2001@yahoo.com. And everybody that's on here should pretty well know how to get in touch with me. So either leave me a comment or, write me an email, and we'll get in touch and go from there. Because if you have any specific physical issue that you're dealing with, it's amazing how often, it can be helped physically with nutrition and also through other therapies like, EFT and grounding. So grounding is one thing that I want to put a link. I'll put a link in that last video for that too, because the ATP comes out very much in the grounding video. There's a 15-minute grounding video. Watch that video. So that'll give you an idea of what ATP does and from a scientific viewpoint. And the little rechargeable, the little adenosine triphosphate. There's 3 triphosphates, and they're the little batteries that recharge the body and the electricity in the body. So, all right. Thanks. Bye-bye. God bless.